Today we are making a soft and fluffy peach cake that's perfect for summer. It's light, moist, packed with juicy peaches and surprisingly easy to make. Welcome back to OvenDuo. Let's get started. Slice 4 peaches and set them aside. After you separate the egg whites from the yolk, beat the egg whites until they reach soft to medium peaks, then set them aside. In another bowl, beat the egg yolks with sugar and vanilla until the mixture becomes pale and creamy. Add the oil, milk, and yogurt, mixing until smooth. Finally, grate the zest of 1 lemon and stir it into the batter. Now sift together the flour, cornstarch, baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Mix just until everything is combined. Switch to a spatula and gently fold the whipped egg whites into the batter in a few additions. This step keeps the cake light and airy. Pour the batter into a parchment-lined baking pan and spread it evenly. Arrange the peach slices on top. Sprinkle with a little coarse sugar and a touch of cinnamon for extra flavor and a beautiful golden finish. Bake until the cake is beautifully golden and a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Transfer the cake to a wire rack and let it cool completely. Once cooled, slice it into squares. Just look at that texture. Soft, fluffy, and filled with juicy pieces of peach in every bite. It's the kind of cake that's perfect with a cup of coffee or tea. If you enjoy simple homemade baking, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Thanks for baking with us. See you in the next recipe.